Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Win32bridge server problem. And it says incorrect function, and it's a little pop-up you get perhaps when you are using iTunes or some sort of application on your device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I would suggest would be to open up the start menu. Type in Cortana. Best result should come back with Cortana. Go ahead and right click on that and select App Settings. You want to go ahead and scroll down, and where it says reset, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Go ahead and select the repair button. And then restart your computer, see if that resolves the problem. Another thing you can try is if the app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Go ahead and select reset. It says this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select reset. And then, well, again, once that's done, I would recommend restarting your device. And then, if all else fails, you can close out of here. Open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to go type in SFC, followed by a space, and then /scanl. Scanl should all be one word attached to that / out front. So again, SFC space /scanl. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin running this. It will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so you can see it didn't find anything. Otherwise, I would suggest restarting your computer, and then once you restart it, hopefully your problem should have been resolved at this point. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.